Aaron, I think that bird followed you.
Probably did.
At least some
You
of
have
his cousins
stripes.
did. Here, Bree, I'm gonna pause that for now
Like
because I'm sure this is
Glenda,
like a
right?
10-minute video.
It's two.
You got
Well, because
Mickey.
you stopped it before.
You got
Your dad's
candy
gonna
cane.
save some of the power on it. There. No, don't turn it by hand.
Get through.
Wow, that's crazy that there's 4 giraffes right here.
How did I avoid that coffee spill?
No, can you start getting
Think I did?
dressed?
For the
Don't
pool?
hit the Air Maxes and we're good.
Zebra! I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming.
We have 4 children out here.
Zebra, come to us. He sees me.
He's looking at you.
He sees
Oh, he is right there, huh?
You're my favorite. He's gonna get you.
He's gonna get you.
Get you.
Oh, I didn't know we had a giraffe down here.
Yeah. Look at him just looking over at you guys.
He is. He's
There's
just
two.
munching.
There's 2 of them. Yeah, there's 2 zebras.
Oh yeah, there's one back there too.
Where's the? Oh, I see him back there.
Here comes the giraffe too. Do you think they're friends?
Yeah.
The giraffe and the
Look,
zebra?
they're looking at each other.
Oh, he's coming over here.
Yeah, he is.
Oh my gosh. All right, we need a picture of the kids with that in the background.
He's coming.
Oh my gosh.
He's right there. He's coming.
Is that the Grinch or is that Cindy Lou Who?
You know what he probably sees? If he keeps going, look at in the tree over here to the right.
What is it?
The food for him.
Oh, it might be blocked. I don't see.
They're grouping of 3 trees.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, you're right.
I think that's right where he's going. Where she's going. She's going. to
Go,
that tree right
zebra, go!
there. She knows where it is.
Yeah, they're doing it. Where is the zebra stop?
He's
Still
eating.
munching.
Brian? That was so cool.
This is
Who's
so
had
cool. They
it
set
soon?
up the food everywhere.
Yeah.
For them to.
To kind of draw him out.
Excuse me.
Where's
Yeah,
Brian?
exactly.
They're going to tell Brian.
That might be my second favorite.
All right, show me. Oh my gosh, Nani, where are they?
Where'd they go?
They're right there. How many of them are there?
Now that one down is looking back at you.
Hey, that one's looking at you. Look at that guy.
Huh?
This guy was looking at you. Where are the giraffes?
Look here.
Oh my goodness, how cool.
Mommy too.
Oh, look at, there's a third one right there.
I can see why people they eat their like dinner's gonna be
Hey, Nan, don't put your legs through there. Oh my God, what is all over your face? Spaghetti, can we go wipe your spaghetti face off?
you're a hot mess, huh?
Hot mess. They can almost reach up here.
They're gonna chase her down. Oh, look at this. She's going right in for it.
Oh my god.
Why is he letting them do that?
I don't think you're really going to tell 3 giraffes what they are and aren't going to do. Oh, here comes this one too.
Almost done.
Like you see how big they are in person when like look at their heads next to her.
Right.
She's
All right.
pushing their heads away.
Mama.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
That's so cool.
Look at him go, Nat.
He's just like.
It's pretty much the same amount as my McDonald's order.
Let's play.
But no, we'll have her split it.
Natalie.
Not touch the floor. One time.
No.
No way, Brian.
No.
We're going 3, 2, 1.
You picked the
No
wrong meal
pictures.
for that. No,
Excuse me? No pictures, no pictures? No pictures.
Pictures of
Why?
Lift your
You look so cute though.
She's like, look at me. I'm a mess.
Wait, can I see?
You're such a handful.
Can I take your picture?
And then, oh my gosh, you're famous. Can I get a picture?
No.
Oh no.
Oh, here comes Free Free.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
One.
There's magic in every drop.
No.
I
Are you being shy?
This sound feels like.
Since when are you shy?
What are you
got
doing?
it.
Ready? Come on. Come with me. I'm gonna squish Sissy.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
That baggy version that would have the cord.
Giraffes all the way over there. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
You panicked.
Did you get stuck?
She almost got packed up to go.
Don't let her wait, bud. It's over here.
Until April. Love this dog. Hey. Love you.